We're at crack. Oh, what's going on, dudes? It's me, Al. Hope everyone's having a good day. Today's video, we are at Mountain Creek. First time back for the season. Someone's over here getting picked up because they're already hurt. So yeah, gotta be careful. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
For the whole time. A nigga, I don't need a cosign. Present. I've been waiting for my whole life.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, you.
Oh, we back at Creek. I'm nervous, bro. I only been here like a few times. I think I went, what, 3 times last season? And that was it. Then I had a whole bunch of winter riding in the snow. So not too much downhill. Well, whatever, it's been a year now since I've been riding, so should be better than last time I was here, which was like 8 months ago. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, dudes. Here with my dude, John. Yeah. Ahaha. We got the Orbea skis today. We got 2 Orbeas. We about to reside, my dog. We chilling, bro. I'm literally going to go so slow. You're gonna probably be waiting for me for like 20 minutes at the bottom.
Bro, I think I'm gonna be right there with you.
I'm gonna be
that the slow is completely fine with me.
Yo, you know what's gonna happen? We're gonna fucking go down. We're gonna be like, yeah, let's go.
Maybe in a couple of weeks, maybe in a month, maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months.
Maybe our first ride. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe our first run.
Yeah. We'll do the green one. You know, I think the green ones are the best.
They're the hardest ones apparently here, so that's why you should.
Yeah, that's so like, you know, real shit.
Like, we're real riders. We do this and we're very experienced. Yeah, he's like, yo, my boy got the Roskizzy. I should have brought mine. I see you with the Roscoe. I see you with the Roscoe.
He's locked in.
Yes, sir. Get it. Yeah, he heard me. He got the Roskizzy. Oh, he killing that shit, bro. I should have brought the Roscoe. Nah, I would have regretted it. He's probably a way better rider than me. Honestly. Frijoles. Yo, what's going on, dude? It's me, Al. Hope everyone's having a good day. Today's video, you're gonna see me and my boy John hit up Mountain Creek. Now, this weekend was the season opening, so we haven't been here in quite a long time. Probably, what is it, like 8 months now it's been. Yes, sir. But yeah, super excited to start going back to this spot. It's not too far from where I live, so I'll be hitting this up to get better at some downhill kind of riding. But yeah, as you guys can see here, I'm still a noob. I haven't even learned how to do jumps yet, so that's going to be on my list. And yeah, I'm just having fun, guys. You know, yes, I'm not looking to break any world records. I'm not a pro. I'm not anything special. I'm just a normal dude who started mountain biking a year ago. So I'm just looking to get out there, have fun, and not get hurt. So yeah, sorry if you're looking for someone to give you super duper good insight on how to improve and how to be a better rider. It's probably not going to be from me. But if you want to see a beginner get his ass kicked pretty much everywhere he rides and laugh at that, then you guys are welcome to watch my channel. So anyway, dudes, hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. Keep an eye out. You guys will see some more videos coming out. And yeah, I'll have a ride video with the Yeti coming soon. And yeah, I have my Orbea that I'm riding in this video that's actually going to be for sale. So that is going to be going to a good home soon enough. But yeah, anyway, let me shut up, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. See you on the next one. you, dude. Yeah. I don't like the mud. You might. Oh. Are they? Sounds like you might need some Italian brakes. Oh my gosh, bro, that's muddy as frick. Oh, I don't like that. Oh my gosh, bro. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's a good thing we didn't go this morning, huh? That's it, dudes. We did a quick little run. Nothing too crazy. Don't want to push it. We actually did a drive event for these Rivians earlier today. So people were doing demonstration drives. And yeah, now we're riding bikes at Mountain Creek. We did a little lunch break, a little after work action over here. Just a little green trail. Still not that skilled. I've only been here a few times and your boy doesn't want to get hurt. So we're taking it slow, baby. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and see you on the next one.